I want to start making money online, but I don't know where to start.
Many people shy away from starting an online business or an online store because of the high startup costs, the ability to find a product, where to store these products, and how to market them. But that's not the case, and I want to tell you a story about how I got into online business, how to earn money online. And about 5-6 years ago, I got into online business, finding products, secondhand products on Gumtree, OLX, eBay, Amazon, and retailing them online at a markup. 5-6 years ago when I got into this, by the time I was 14, nearly 15, I made my first $1,000. And I mean, yeah, it's good money, but not enough to live on. But for a 14 or 15-year-old, it was a big achievement. And over time, I was finding that this was working for me. Online business. I didn't need to pay for electricities for a shop, overheads. I had no overheads to run it. And in this video, I want to give you two pointers or two ideas on how you can start a successful online business. And the first pointer or idea that I want to talk about is the dropshipping method. And the dropshipping method, I think, is a great way to start an online business, an online store, if you don't have a lot of startup capital. I mean, to run a dropshipping business, you've got no overheads. You don't even need to keep the product or store the product. You basically just add your markup, and the supplier does all the hard work, the deliveries, the invoicing. So how this works is you've got your client, you've got your online store, and then you've got your supplier. So the client places an order on your online store for a product. That information, such as the product description, ID, price, goes to the supplier. They then receive the customer's address, they then deliver the product, and you just keep your markup. How beautiful is that? You're literally making money for doing an EFT or doing a payment. All you have to do is pay the supplier and keep your markup while they do all the hard work for you. And that is how the dropshipping method works. And I think it's a great way for online entrepreneurs to get started in the online industry. When I was 16, 17 years old, I got into web development, coding, web design, server hosting, and hosting online businesses for clients and myself. And I created over 3 to 4 online stores with the dropshipping method. And I found that, at first, yes, I struggled a little bit getting used to the industry. I was still very young, getting to know the industry, how it works. And after a while, the first year of business, I started doing really well. When I was 18, nearly 19 years old, I made my first 6-figure income, which was huge for me. And that was all because of the dropshipping method. And that is how effective it can be. I mean, I still have no overheads, no running costs, no nothing. And that's what's awesome about the dropshipping method. The second point is what I think is most important when it comes to selling online. And it's not really what you think. I often shop on eBay, Amazon. There is so many of the same products listed on eBay. For example, I searched a 1 terabyte hard drive, literally 100 different products, and it came down to copywriting. Which one I thought was described best, which one had the best specifications listed, which one had the best images. What does it mean? It means learn how to use words, how to communicate, persuasion in print, how to turn words into cash. And I want you to think about it. It doesn't matter what you want to do, whether it's an e-commerce store on Shopify or a WordPress website. Guess what? The description is copywriting. The heading is copywriting. The landing page, your about section, is copywriting. Your video section, what I'm doing now, is copywriting. And you do copywriting without thinking about it. Your emails that get sent to your clients, the processing order now paid, order complete. That's all copywriting. Everything that you do is all about copywriting. It's about communication. And unless you've mastered that copywriting skill, you will always struggle, because copywriting gives you a tremendous leverage. And the same ad, the same landing page, the same amount of traffic that comes onto your website, the same advertising dollar that you spend, you could be spending $1 and getting the same dollar in return. But I could simply change the words, whether it's the heading, the description, the checkout page. I can change a few words and the difference, and I've seen it. Even whether it's a basic description, it can mean a 2 to 3 to 5 to 10 times difference in conversion. So instead of spending $1 on advertising, you could now get 2 to 3 to 5 to $10 back with the same product, with the same offering. All you have changed is all how you have communicated the product to your audience. And that is the power of copywriting. And if you're serious about making money online, I really suggest that you follow these 2 tips, or 2 ideas, if you are a starting entrepreneur in the online industry, in today's information economy age. I mean, even current businesses, if you are a shop, a hair salon, get in on the online trend. Get online, sell your products digitally. That is where modern business is going. That is where the information technology and the information age economy is going towards, online. Follow this channel for future content, more in detail on copywriting, online business, marketing, and all specific and secretive tips that may help you with your online business. And I'll leave a link to the description to our business's website in the description, which is another form of copywriting. And that is how you make money and start an online business online.